Okay, so here's an update on our situation. The rental car company does not know when they will be able to send a car out here. They're saying hopefully in 1 to 2 days. And the power is out in all of the towns around us. And they've called for like a state of emergency, I guess, but that I just heard that from the lady that was at the diner, because the diner and this hotel are like the only places with power around here because they have backup generators. Oh, and there's like a store down the way, I guess, that also has a generator. But they don't know how long they'll be open if the power doesn't come back on. But, you know, we have power. No cable, though. Kind of boring. But we have the pool. So, power and pool in the middle of a state of emergency. I guess that's pretty good. Okay, well, hopefully we'll be on the road in a few days. If not, we will have fun in the pool. Okay, so update. All of the phones are down, like the landlines and stuff. The internet's been down and occasionally on, but mostly not working. The power is still out all around us. But there was one guy in the lobby who had a cell phone that is working. Not sure how, because he's like the only person in the hotel with a working cell phone. So he let us use his phone, and we were able to get a hold of the rental company, and they're sending a new car. So not sure how long they'll be here. A couple hours. It's all the way out in Oklahoma City, and we're about like 56 or so miles away. And it's still icy, so they don't know how long it'll take them to get it here. But we got a hold of them. Bored out of my mind. I can't wait till we have a car and we can get out of here. We're still probably not leaving till tomorrow because the roads are really icy. Okay, so both the I-40 in Texas and the I-20 are closed. So here is our plan. As long as we get our car and everything works out today, we are here. We're going to backtrack to Oklahoma City and then take the 35 all the way down to San Antonio and then ride the 10 out to California. The wreck we got here with the new car we'll be driving. It is pretty. So they sent us a Dodge Challenger. It is really awesome, but it's going to be a really tight squeeze for 3 people, a dog, and all of our luggage to fit here.